Have you ever imagined saving lives, wearing that white coat, and becoming a doctor? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete path becoming a doctor in India. From your school years to MBBS, specializations, career options, and the salary packages doctors earn in 2025. Let's dive into the journey of one of the most respected and rewarding careers in the world, the medical profession. Step by step journey how to become a doctor in India. To become a doctor in India, your journey starts after class 10 when you choose physics, chemistry, and biology in 11th and 12th grade. Then comes the NEET UG exam, the only entrance test accepted across India for medical admissions. It's extremely competitive with over 20 lakh students appearing every year. Once you crack NEET, you can begin your MBBS course, which lasts 5.5 years, 4.5 years of academic training, and 1 year of mandatory internship. Some of the top colleges include AIIMS Delhi, Jipmar Pondicherry, and AFMC Pune. Post MBBS path: MD, MS, DM, and MCH. After completing MBBS, most students go for post graduation. You will need to appear for NEET PG, which open doors to the MD or MS degrees. And if you want to super specialize, you can pursue MD or MCH in fields like cardiology, neurology, gastroenterology, and plastic surgery. In total, becoming a super specialist doctor can take 10 to 12 years of study and practice. A long road, but one filled with prestige and deep expertise. Popular medical specializations in India. There are over 60 medical specializations in India, but here are some of the most in demanded. General physician, the first point of contact for most patients. Pediatrician, focused on children's health. Psychiatrist, dealing with mental health. Gynecologist, specializing in women's health. ENT specialist, for ear, nose, and throat issues. Dermatologist, for skin and hair concerns. Cardiologist, dealing with heart-related diseases. Neurologist, focused on brain and nervous system. Oncologist, cancer diagnosis and treatment. Each of these fields has its own study path, challenges, and rewards. Doctor salaries in India. Now let's talk about what you might really be curious about salaries. Here is a breakdown of average yearly salaries by specialization. Neurologist, around 30 to 35 lakh per year. Cardiologist, 30 lakh per annum. Oncologist, 28 lakh per annum. ENT specialist, 20 lakh per annum. Pediatrician, 12 lakh per annum. General physician, around 8 lakh per annum. Dentist, 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Your pay also depend on the sector you work in. In government hospitals, starting salaries are around 60,000 to 1 lakh per month. In private sectors, doctor can earn 2 lakh to 8 lakh per month based on experience and specialization. Those who open their own clinics can earn more depending on patient volume and reputation. Pros and cons of being a doctor. Like every career, medicine has its highs and lows. The pros: massive respect in society, lifelong learning and growth, a direct impact on people's lives, financially rewarding in the long term. And the cons: long years of study, highly competitive exams, stressful working conditions, limited work life balance, especially in early years. But if you're passionate about healthcare, the rewards far outweigh the struggles. Career demand and scope in India. India currently has one doctor for every 1500 people, which is below the WHO recommendation. This means doctors, especially specialists, are in huge demand, both in cities and rural areas. The healthcare sector is projected to reach 50 lakh crore by 2026, which means more jobs, better infrastructure, and global opportunities for Indian doctors. Conclusion and final words. If you dream of becoming a doctor, be ready for a journey that's tough but life challenging. You will sacrifice time, energy, and maybe sleep, but in the end, you will gain knowledge, respect, and power to heal lives. If you found this video useful and helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kind of doctor do you want to become. Thank you for watching and subscribe to EduGuide 10 Plus. For more info, check website link in the description.